Okay, let's see how to money cheat in Assassin's Creed Black Flag. First, you need to turn off your Windows Defender or your virus guard. Go to Windows Security and click Virus and Threat Protection. Go to Manage Settings and turn off Real-Time Protection. Then open your browser and search Cheat Engine 6.7 download. You can download this from any site, but be careful of viruses because your virus guard is turned off at this time. Use trusted websites. This is an old version of this software because the new version has some errors. Then go to download and install the software. If a window like this opens, just close it. If you are a beginner and you want to try out the tutorial, click Yes. But I skipped the tutorial this time. Then open Cheat Engine and open the Assassin's Creed game. Now you need to go to a place where you can spend or earn money in the game. I recommend Harbor Master. Now remember your currency value and press the Alt and Tab buttons at the same time. You can minimize your game. Then go to Cheat Engine and select the game like this. After that, enter your money value and click First Scan. Then, again, go to the game, and you have to change the money value. So this time I sell my rum and earn money. Now remember your value and go again to Cheat Engine and type your last currency value and click Next Scan. And then again do the same thing. Go to the game and sell or buy something to change the value, and go to Cheat Engine and type the new value and click Next Scan. These are the values that you need to change. I only have 2 values. But your values may be much different. However, select them all at once, right-click, and give them the value you want through Change Value. Now, leave the Harb Masta and check the currency value again. Now you can see the money cheat works. Thank you.